because I came to Canada during the winter, my hair just broke off. There's still like twists in here still. I can feel twists in the middle of these. I can feel like here, you can see this is still a twist that is in here. Here is a twist here. So all these I have to pull so that I can detangle easily. And I used to use this in Jamaica, and since I've been in Canada, I've been using way more in quantity because Canada is very cold and it makes your hair very brittle, and that is how you will experience hair loss. So basically everything combined really helps with hair growth, with all the vitamins that I eat and the cod liver oil that I take, along with using things like these. Like many of these products includes helping hair growth. Just moisturization helps with hair growth as well. If your hair is super moisturized, it will grow, compared to if it's dry and brittle, then it will fall off. Hello there, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you about Canadian hair care. That is because when I first came to Canada, when it came to my hair, it was extremely dry, and because of that I had to experiment on different products so that I could find the right products that works for my hair type. Now my hair type in particular is 4C hair. So if your hair type is 4C hair and it's like kinky curly hair, then this video is for you. And I'll just be going through my hair products just so you can see what are the hair products that I use, and I'll be showing you my entire hair routine. Honestly, with my hair, I had the option to straighten my hair since I was probably 15 years old. I had the option that I can straighten my hair if I wanted to, and I chose to not straighten my hair, so I chose to keep my hair natural. And it's not easy to maintain, but at the same time I have a routine down, and that really helps me with maintaining my hair. I usually do mostly protective style since I've been in Canada, and my hair has actually grown probably a half more, like half. Like, let's say my hair when I first came to Canada, my hair was maybe this length, and then it grew this much afterwards since I've been here. So yeah, a lot of hair growth since I've been here. If you're new here, I've been in Canada for 3.5 years now. Something that I do as well is like wash my hair while it's in a twist. I'll wash it while it's in a twist for the first time, and then the second time I'll pull it out like this and wash it, so that I'm not frequently washing it like this, because when it's washed like this it tangles very easily. Let's get into... Now that I'm feeling it, I can feel that it has some oil in it, but we're just gonna have to work with the oil. Let me show you the products that I use. So back in Jamaica, I would use aloe vera to treat my hair, but because I'm not in Jamaica, aloe vera is not something that you can get in Canada. Maybe in some areas you might be able to get it, but for here it's very difficult to get aloe vera. So because of that, this is what I use. This is an egg, and it does a lot. Like if you were to Google hair care and Google what egg does to your hair, first of all, it's protein. That's the first thing. I would break this and put it into a dish, and then afterwards I would coat my hair. To wash my hair, I use this product. I like all of the Aunt Jackie products. If you can see, I don't know if you can see clearly, but I like all of the products, and this one in particular, it gives moisturization and softening, and that is one of the main things that I want with all the hair products that I use, is moisturization and softening. So this one is this is just a shampoo. making it easy to maintain, because if it wasn't for these products, maybe I would actually straighten my hair because it would be very difficult. So I use this, and then I also use this one, which is also another hydration and softening type of product as well. This is the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. So what I would do is to do 2 shampoos. So I would use this one first, and then afterwards I would go in with this one, and this one is a 2-in-1. So basically I'm shampooing my hair 2 times, but it feels a lot like conditioner, and I don't mind washing my hair 2 times. So that's what I would do. I just finished washing my hair, so let me tell you about the hair products that I have. As you can see, my hair is like fully shrunk, but let me show you the products. So the first one is this one. I use this as so it is an intense repair conditioning mask. It's flaxseed recipe. It has omega fatty oils, antioxidants, and it also has vitamins. If you want to purchase it, it's Aunt Jackie Curl and Coil Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning. So you can get this if you're looking for something to help with breakage. And then I use this Aunt Jackie. This one gives you a little silkiness, and it can feel a bit too smooth, and your hair might, when you're styling your hair, it might slip. So I'm not a fan of this one. So what I do with it is to mix it with this. So instead of using this individually and this individually, I use less. I use less of this one and use this one to compensate with the amount that I didn't use with this one. So I use these together. This one is for moisturization and softening. If you have issues with thick hair, then these products are definitely for you. For this one, this is Aunt Jackie In Control. As I said, Aunt Jackie is a product that really helps with 4C hair, and they focus on the needs of people who has hair type like mine. So I use this as this. I've been using this for years now. I brought this to Canada with me, and I used to use this in Jamaica, and since I've been in Canada, I've been using way more in quantity, because Canada is very cold and it makes your hair very brittle, and that is how you will experience hair loss. So I use this as well, and then I also use this, which I've been using this since I've been in Jamaica. It is the Blue Magic, and it has castor oil in it, and this also here helps with hair growth, and basically everything combined really helps with hair growth, with all the vitamins that I eat and the cod liver oil that I take, along with using things like these. Many of these products includes helping hair growth. Just moisturization helps with hair growth as well. If your hair is super moisturized, it will grow, compared to if it's dry and brittle, then it will fall off. So these are the hair products that I've been using. The next thing that I do is to basically always do protective styles. I always do protective styles. As you can see, it is my natural hair that I always do. I don't do false hair, and the reason why I don't wear false hair and I also don't wear makeup and stuff like that is because I'm not trying to alter my body. That is based on my personal preference. It is not based on religion. A lot of people think that is based on religion, because I am a Christian, but the reason why I do it is not because I'm a Christian, because there are many people who are Christians who straighten their hair and stuff like that, but I don't do it. So it is really a personal preference. Yeah, this is definitely not easy to maintain, but I prefer my natural hair all the way, and I just prefer not to do things based on societal pressure. If an employer is telling me that I need to wear makeup or I need to wear extension to get the job, I prefer not getting the job. I'm not interested in doing things just because of an employer. I'm not going to wear makeup because of an employer, and that is just something that I always cared about. Society tells you to do, society tells you what clothes to wear, what shoes to wear, how you should look on the road. Society, it's just this entire thing that people normalize and behave as if societal pressure is normal, and that is not definitely not okay. Like, it is not okay for people to pressure you into everything. Like, I was just watching a video just last night where the guy was like, oh, it is not important to go to school, and he was just talking about how society pressures you that you have to go to school for how many years. Just think about the amount of years that you have spent in school. And to be honest, like, how many people do you see that has the option not to go to school? Like, there's no option there. Like, you need to go to school from your this age to that years, and then after that you need to go and you need to work, and then after that you have retirement. Like, society just tells you how you should live your life. I do not agree with things like wearing makeup, wearing extensions to look beautiful. I believe that natural beauty is the best beauty, and if you need makeup to feel good about yourself, then there's something wrong with you, and that is just the truth. If you have an issue where you cannot have your natural skin and feel comfortable in your natural skin, that is an issue, and you need to deal with that. But for me personally, I'm not going to wear makeup so that I can feel good about myself, because society says that is what makes a woman beautiful. But that's my little rant right there. When I first came to Canada, my hair, I experienced hair loss right here. Now it's fully grown back, but I experienced hair loss there, like severe hair loss, where I had a braid right here and the entire thing fell off, and I didn't have any hair at all. Like, because I came to Canada during the winter, my hair just literally broke off. During the summer, I did a lot of different things. I got all the vitamin. First of all, I did research about it, and first thing that I was doing just coating on things, but the problem was that I didn't have the nutrients in my body to work on my hair, and the things that is in your body is way more important than what you put in your hair. So the first step was to get the nutrients in my body, and what I was doing instead is the opposite, where I was just adding products. But then when I was doing research and I got to realize, oh, you need to be taking cauliflower oil, multivitamins, I started to take those things, and my hair grew back, and it grew way longer. And I think it's a combination of all the things that I've been doing that really changed my hair completely.